Hello everyone, my name is Aanvi Gulati of grade 4 from Uttam School for Girls. Today I am here to present my idea called Refill Station, a simple, smart and eco-friendly way to reduce plastic waste in school. Every day students throw away empty pens, glue bottles, sanitizer bottles and even small plastic water bottles. These items create a large amount of unnecessary plastic waste. My solution is the refill station, a small refill corner inside the school where students can refill ink for pen, glue, sanitizer and water instead of buying new bottles. I have built my first prototype using cardboard, sensors, mini pumps and Arduino microcontroller. The refill mechanism and indicator lights are all working in this model. In the future, I plan to create a stronger, fully automatic station. I want to add refill for markers and even liquid soap. Thank you for watching my idea, Refill Station. Let's stop wasting and start refilling.